So I'm here at the Park and Ride off of Route 211, just east of New Market, Virginia. This is the trailhead, and I'm getting my gear organized here, but doing about a 20-mile loop this weekend that includes Duncan Knob and Strickler Knob and Kerns Mountain. I'll put the map up here. So it's about maybe 2 hours till sunset, and I'm gonna hike in about a mile, maybe mile and a half, and camp. And then Nick and one of his friends who I haven't met yet, JT I think, is going to join us or join me here tonight. Hopefully they make it out. The traffic was kind of bad for me coming down, so they'll definitely be hiking in the dark if they bust into camp tonight. But anyway, not trying to get a lot of hiking done today, just getting out to camp and setting myself up for a long, productive day of hiking tomorrow. So talk to you in a little bit. Getting sweaty already. Pretty warm out. What I'm walking through is cut over hardwood forest. It's coming back with a lot of yellow poplar and red maple and some oak. This is the difference between Forest Service and Park Service. In case you didn't know, the Park Service doesn't really do much timber cutting unless it's for construction or safety or something, maybe a salvage every now and then, but the Forest Service does manage for multiple use, so you will run across different age forests more on National Forest land. They're also allowed to hunt on National Forest land, so, and camp more freely, I guess, in the backcountry. A few less regulations, but it's fun, especially from a land manager standpoint, seeing the different management that's going on and trying to figure out exactly what they did and why. So yeah, some of the perks of being a forester, I guess. But I don't think it's too far to camp. I'll probably be back with you when I get my tent set up, and we'll talk about that. All right, bye-bye. I told you we would talk about my tent, and here it is. So I made the switch to a trekking pole tent because of the weight difference. This is a Z-Pax duplex. I'm using my Black Diamond trekking poles to hold it up, which saves a lot of weight. This is going to be my first night sleeping in it, and probably, well, tonight and tomorrow night, and then it probably won't get used much until the CDT. It's kind of expensive to wear this one out before the trail, and I've got a solo tent I like already. But this is a lot lighter, and I think it's going to serve my needs really well. So, got a nice little campsite here, not a lot of tent spots. You can see it's pretty small. I might just set up down here and cook dinner and wait for the boys to show up. Talk to you later. I see two headlights coming towards me.
Any swamp rats down here?
It's a little bit after 9 o'clock and we are on the trail. Hopefully get some good views today, show you. See you soon. We are up on top of the first ridge now. We completed our first big climb. A little ridge walk.
Whole corridor, warehouses, factories. I guess this is a giant valley. Great valley. I guess in geologic terms, it runs north, somewhere
They've been shooting down there in the valley. America. Those guys went up to an overlook. I stayed down here in the gap, resting my feet a little bit. I'm also out of water, so I need to fill up at the next creek crossing. But beautiful day up here, really nice. it out, it's a pond. We had a first dinner or a second lunch here. Not sure what we did. It included a nap time. Going up the hill now. That is the ridge we just walked over there. We dropped down and crossed Chrisman Hollow Road, and we are climbing again. I'm being lazy today, y'all. They went up to Duncan Knob just now, and I'm sitting down here in the gap again. Tired. My knees hurt. A little thirsty. No, I'm fine. I just don't feel like going up there, to be honest. But we got maybe a mile or two downhill to camp, so the hardest part of the day is definitely over. But made me sweat. What the hell? Anyway, yeah, I'm just enjoying sitting here, to be honest. It's really nice. We did kind of decide that this would be a great place to camp. It's real flat up here. The problem is there's no water, so you'd have to bring your water up. But then that would enable you to go up to Duncan Knob and like catch a sunset or a sunrise. And there's some other rocks like over that way that look worthy of exploring too. So both sides of Chrisman Hollow Road on this trail there's good camping on both sides. So future reference for people that might visit this area. That is Duncan Knob. So there was a scout camp at the site that we were intending to use. We ended up going a little further on the trail and then ditching our packs because we found a place to camp, but we had to walk back for water. So we'll be setting up camp in the dark tonight. And dinner is gonna be oh so good. I got a good night's sleep last night. It was a little bit cold. I don't know why. Maybe that tent's colder than what I'm used to, but it was cold. Got all zipped up in my sleeping bag. Had my hiking pants on in there. But as you can see, the sun is coming up. It's another glorious day. And I get to go home to my family today. So I'm grateful for that. And grateful that I get to do a little bit of hiking today. It's always a good day. So I will talk to you later. That sign says US Route 211 in 4 miles. Those guys went out to Strickler Knob, and I kept going on the trail. Didn't want to start doing side trails at this point. I've already skipped all the other ones. So anyway, 4 miles. I might put on my headphones and roll out of here. I need to take a break and drink some water at some point, but I'll probably take a few pictures along the way too.